In today's elegant trinket jar, I tried to recreate a piece of amber. Amber is known for its captivating golden hues. It's actually fossilized tree resin that dates back millions of years, often containing beautifully preserved plant material, insects, and other ancient organisms. Amber provides a unique window into prehistoric ecosystems. It's been valued for centuries, not only for its beauty, but for its healing properties and for its use in jewelry and in art. I would like to thank Let's Resin for sending me this fast cure epoxy resin kit. It's a quick 4-hour demold. Inside the kit, you will find all of these cups. You'll find two mixing sticks. You'll find some resin dyes. Great instructions. And I'm going to give you those instructions page by page. And if you'd like, you can stop this video and you can read these instructions at your leisure. This resin is a 1-to-1 resin. Please be sure to follow all the safety guidelines when using any resin. Many inks and dyes and pigments also require to use a respirator. Showing you here some alcohol inks. You will find everything down in my description below that I use in this project. The dried flowers, you will see me putting them into the sides of the mold. Basically, I'm really just stuffing them in there. No rhyme or reason. I do try and separate them so they're evenly distributed throughout the piece. In retrospect, I probably should have dipped this in the resin first. It probably would not have caused all the bubbles that I did get in the end. I don't believe it was the resin's fault. I think it was user error. I did decide to use a larger cup. This way I had plenty of room to do all the stirring that I needed and not cause any excess bubbles. When you do start stirring your resin, you're going to want to stir very slow. Be sure to get the sides and the bottom for 4 to 5 minutes. And then you're going to put it aside for at least 5 minutes. Try and get all those bubbles out. And while my resin is resting, I'm going to finish up and I'm going to put some more flowers in here. That's when I decided I would put a few of these purple flowers in also. There was some point as I was doing this piece that I realized that that top with the butterfly did not belong with the bottom piece here. Which was all well and good because I really wanted to use that butterfly top, and I really wanted to use that jar bottom. So this all worked out in the end, and you will see how beautiful this comes. Well, I guess you did already see because I gave you that sneak peek in the beginning. But I tied this all in. We have beautiful butterflies everywhere. Just keep watching. I really didn't have too much of this resin left over, and eventually I took out one more piece. I love using the alcohol inks with the resin, but you will never ever see me using a torch and resin. I had a mishap in the very beginning when I started to use resin. So I do not ever use a torch. I know a lot of people do, but I don't. I always use my heat gun. So this is the piece I decided to take out, and it was a perfect fit for whatever little leftover resin that I had. Gave it a little spritz of alcohol. I love these three colors together. They all just make beautiful, beautiful music together. I love it. At first I thought I would find the sun here. I thought this would be a little sun.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
So I did put it on the heating mat, but this was ready in like an hour and 15 minutes. It was really hot. It was really hot when I demolded this. Whoop. Thought this was going to give me a little trouble, but it actually, it was really easy once I got that first part out. There we go. But I'm not done. This is nowhere near done.
It's gonna take some time to get there.
So I'm just using the deburring tool a little bit around the edges here.
Trust you when you say that beauty
In this time lapse, you'll see the UV resin in Harvest Gold, where I adhere these little balls that I made onto the top of the butterfly. And then I'm painting around with my gold chrome marker all around the top edges. Oops, that's next week's song. This creation today aims to capture the timeless beauty of amber. This intricate piece features delicate dried flowers, beautifully inlaid and embellished with gold. On top, a lovely butterfly adds a whimsical touch. The base of this piece also mimics the warm tones of amber, with vibrant dried flowers in shades of orange, peach, and purple, surrounded by golden butterflies. Let me know in the comments below, crystal center, if I captured amber's natural allure. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here today. I appreciate you. I thank you. I want to thank each of my members, starting out with Just Janice, the Traveling Tramps, Dave and Kathy, Lena Park Art, Art by Sparkle, Taslima Maya Art, and Simply Nanette. And thanking Yen Drawers for her blessings this month. If by chance you've made it this far and you are not subscribed to It's Art by Donna, I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button now. And let's not forget my members. Please hit that subscribe button. Look down below. You will find a link to each of their channels. And look around. Look at your neighbor in the chat. If you're not subscribed to them, click on them. If you click to the right on those 3 little dots, it'll take you to their channel. Go to their channel. Check out one of their videos. You'll have made a friend today. Why not make their day and hit a subscribe on their channel too? Be sure to watch a video. You want to make it count. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time. See you soon. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming. Bye-bye now.